Webster Dictionary defines nature as the material world surrounding humankind and existing independently of human activities. And because of this, I feel it deserves the title of sacred, which means worthy of respect or dedication. Growing up, my brother and I would venture through my backyard to a nature center that was called Discovery Park. We would get lost for hours in the nature that fully surrounded us, observing everything that was on the path. It was our own fictional hangout place, away from the real world, that became anything we wanted it to be. As I grew older, it became a place I would go to clear my head. I spent a lot of time there my senior year as I was being forced to stray away from the path that was already provided for me and create my own for the future. The thought of going off to college became overwhelming as it slowly became a reality, but when I would put my iPod in and walk the trails alone, nothing could bother me. Holding hands and making plans. There's something about nature that just cannot be put into words, and as I would walk and clear my mind, I would take in every minute of it. I began to realize that I used the park in a number of different ways. It became my hiding place when I simply just wanted to hide from my problems. I would go there when I had a rough day, or if I felt things begin to pile up and I felt like I was in deep water. I would use nature as an escape, a place only for me. It became a place of adventure and risk, where, for once in my life, no one was around to judge me. The park became a place that would spark brand new ideas, and I felt that I could finally be creative. The park became a private place away from the outside world, where I could paint, play guitar, and even read. Even when you know it's for the best, but the whole time you're still asking. Most importantly, the park became a place of relaxation, where I could lay down and just take in life. I wanna thank you for showing me this light, and after all I don't regret a thing, 'cause I know you, and I know you, I know you. I would spend hours simply looking up into the sky, asking questions that I knew deep down I would never know the answer to. In the stressful world we live in, you have to take a moment and take in what is around us. Unfortunately, a lot of people take it for granted. But I know that whether it's summer, spring, fall, or even winter, my sacred place will always be there for me. Take a minute and observe your surroundings. There may be things hidden that you're completely missing because you're simply just living your life. Too far away from my heart. Can you whisper in her ear anytime while she's lying on her